Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Bitmoji extension app. But before I do, let me just show you the benefit of having this app on your web browser. Now, if I want to add an avatar to my Google slide here, all I have to do is just click on the Bitmoji icon and it will generate my Bitmoji for me, which I can just copy or click and drag right onto my project here. And once it's on, I can just simply adjust it by using the corner tabs, and there you go. So it's such an awesome tool. Let me go ahead and show you the 5 easy steps on how to go ahead and get this Bitmoji extension app added to your web browser. So here's a quick outline of what you will have to do. The first thing is to make sure that you have a Bitmoji account. Okay, if you have Snapchat, you probably already do have a Bitmoji account. If you do not have Snapchat, it's okay. What you can do is just go ahead and download the Bitmoji app onto your phone. Once you do download the Bitmoji app on your phone, it's going to walk you through the steps on creating your avatar, and you can make your avatar or character look just like you by customizing their hair and eyes and outfit. It's pretty awesome. So that's the first thing you'll have to do is make sure you have that Bitmoji account um, open or ready. Second step is to make sure you have a Google browser because Bitmoji will only work with a Google browser. It will not work with Safari, it will not work with Firefox or Mozilla. It has to be Google. So I added in the description bar down below the app that you can click on, or you can simply just go to your web browser and just search for download Google Chrome. And just type in download Google Chrome and it should probably pop up as the first search here. Okay, and here it is. It's the first one, download now. Okay, so please make sure you have that in order to continue on to step 3. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and feel free to do so, and then just come back and follow the next step. If not, if you already have Google Browser, let's go ahead and continue on. So step number 3 is after you have the Google browser downloaded, you will need to go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, to go to the Chrome Web Store, you can also search for it in the web browser. So just type in Google Web Store, and it is the first one here on our list. So just click on it, and then you're going to go ahead and search here on the left corner for the Bitmoji app. Okay, there we go. And it's not this one, not emoji, it's the second one here. Okay, now I've already downloaded this extension app onto my computer. So mine says rated. Yours will say add to Chrome. So you will click on add to Chrome. It will walk you through a few things and it will ask you to accept a few things or terms and conditions and all that. And then you will be able to then see that it adds this little icon here to your web browser once everything is complete. Okay, and like I said, it will only open up through Google browser, your Google browser. Okay, so that is step number 3. And step number 4 is going ahead and logging into the application. So like I've already downloaded mine, so when I click on mine, it just opens my images, but yours for the first time will ask you to sign in. So you will need to log in. You can log in with your email that you registered the Bitmoji account to or with your Snapchat information. Okay, so that is step number 4. And then step number 5 is starting to use your Bitmoji. Okay, and to use your Bitmoji, like I said, you will click on this little icon and it will generate some of your most popular avatar images, and you can either just copy and drag, which I love because it's so easy. See, I just dragged it on here, and then I can adjust by um, pulling these tabs up and down or to open and close the image to make it bigger or smaller, which is awesome. Or you can right click and then copy and paste. Right click, copy image, and paste. Now, these images work in almost all Google documents. I don't think you'll have any problems with Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Forms. I don't think you'll have any problems. And even some other things that it will copy and paste very easily too. Now, if you are having a hard time getting it to copy and paste in maybe PowerPoint or maybe some other type of document, what you can do is just right click the image that you are trying to copy. Just right click, okay? And then you're going to save the image. And you can save the image onto your desktop. So then from your desktop, you can open it in any document, in Word or Microsoft. I'm sorry, in PowerPoint. Okay, so that's a beneficial tool, just saving the image onto your desktop or in any folder. Maybe you can start a folder with just Bitmoji images. So that way, that folder, you can just copy and paste your image, your avatar anywhere you would like. Okay, so that's a very beneficial tool. And now the last thing I want to share with you, which is my bonus feature of this video, is creating a personalized Bitmoji. Now, some of you may already know this. I just found out a few days ago, so I wanted to share with everyone. But when you click on your icon here, you can actually type what you would like it to add as a saying on your Bitmoji image. So, like for example, like let's say I want it to say happy summer. It will generate my image with that saying, happy summer. So I can pick from a few options here. Or if I wanted to say um, party at my house, it will generate my image again with that saying. So that's pretty awesome, isn't it? And then I can just copy and drag it right where I want it to go. Okay, so I thought that was a pretty cool feature that I wanted to share with you guys. Please comment below and let me know any other cool features that you found out about Bitmoji that maybe would be beneficial when creating documents or anything at all. So let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.